Hey there guys, Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Welcome back. So before I get started with my plan with me today, I wanted to walk you through some new releases that will be coming to the shop on Wednesday or Thursday this week. I will have more info in the group, so make sure you join that. That link will be down below the Planning with the Elf group. Or make sure that you have favorited the shop on Etsy and you will know when new releases come out. I think that's how that works. Maybe not. I don't know. Anyway, so I have reformatted my weekly kits so that they come to you as a full page. And the reason why I did that is because the smaller kits are really labor intensive for me. And I needed something that would be a bit easier that I could also get out a bit faster. So there are 4 pages to these kits now instead of 6 half pages. So the first page is the washi, and this is a plum paper planner. It comes in plum paper planner vertical, EC vertical, and then the classic happy planner. So you get your washi, your date covers, you get an extra little character box, you get to-do headers, you get your date covers, and you get these new label boxes. The label boxes will also be available as a separate, as a full-size sheet in the shop. So that's page 1. Page 2 are the full, the half, and the quarter boxes along with your checklist. I went ahead and made the opacity on these so that you could still write on them but see the cute characters underneath. Then some things I've added full checklist boxes, I've added half checklist boxes, I've added smaller habit trackers, and then I've added some bill due stickers. These bill dues, these habit trackers, these half boxes, this work schedule, all of these will be available as a separate purchase in the functional section of the shop. And then finally, page 4 are your headers, your little icons, your weekend banner. I gave you a choice of 2. I know not everybody loves the big, huge banners like I do. Excuse me. You get some next week day off stickers, urgent, Friday, this week, today, and then you get deco. So that's a full kit. So that's the cactus one. Here's the sushi one. Love it. And again, they look the exact same. The only one that looks a little bit different is the happy planner, and that's because the boxes are a bit different. But you're still getting the exact same stickers and the same amount of stickers. And then here's the sneak peek of one of the Easter ones I'm working on. Look at that little chocolate bunny. It's a little chocolate bunny. Oh my word, so cute. So I just wanted to show you guys that before. Oh, hi. Hi. I just want to show you guys that before I get into my plan with you. So let me take care of this kitty cat and then we'll get started. Alright guys, now that I have Roxy settled, let me go ahead and show you what this sushi kit looks like in the new Recollections planner. So this is a Recollections planner from Michaels. I bought this. They had them really deep, like big discounted. I think they had they were 60% off and then you got a 20% off your order. So I went ahead and purchased one. And you guys know, stripes and florals. So I really love this. I'm not going to go through the whole thing, but it's pinks and purples and aquas, which speak to my soul. So I'm going to go ahead and put these down for this week. I'm not going to actually be using this planner this week as actual plans, but I thought I would go ahead and put some stickers in. So I'm going to start with the bottom washi. Now